As a web developer, you are in the spotlight. Your whole team is on center stage. We need to have a very crafted process that enables us to deliver a high-quality product to the users. From the slide, we see the entire software development process, from project management, business analysis, system analysis, design both the UI and the code behind, software development, build, test, deploy to the servers, to routine maintenance and enhancement. It takes the right process, teamwork, and most importantly, the right people to deliver a great software product. Through this well-organized software development process, we can look into process issues closely with a panel of experts and project management. At the end of the process, the software team can produce a robust IT solution to help the business to go forward. It surely takes a team of people to make this happen. It's great to work as a web developer, as we have gone through the whole day together. We have a quite accomplishment working as a web developer for a day. Today is a miniature version of what it takes to be a web developer, and the entire process of software development occurred right before our eyes in just few hours. Wow, it's 5:30 and it's time to go home.